In this guide, we'll show you how to enable live streaming on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Before you can start a live stream on YouTube, live streaming must first be enabled on your channel. Follow along carefully and watch the entire guide, as skipping steps may cause you to miss important information. First, go to the YouTube website and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct channel. To check, click your profile picture in the top right corner, select Switch Account, and choose the channel you want to stream from. Once you're on the correct channel, click the Create button in the top right corner and select Go Live. YouTube will then prompt you to request access to live streaming. Click Request Access. YouTube will inform you that activation can take up to 24 hours after the request is submitted. Next, you'll need to verify your phone number. Click Verify, select your country, and enter your phone number. YouTube will send a verification code to your device. Enter the code when prompted, and you should see a confirmation message stating that your phone number has been verified. After verification is complete, return to the previous tab and refresh the page. Click Request again if necessary. You should now see a countdown timer indicating when live streaming will become available on your channel. Once the countdown reaches 0 and activation is complete, you'll be able to start streaming live on YouTube.